Welcome to the Switchvox video that describes the tools you will use to migrate from Switchvox version 6.7.1.3 to version 7.0. In the past, updating to a new version was all done from Switchvox's Updates page, using the Download and Apply buttons. This version of 7.0 requires you reinstall Switchvox. Before you perform the migration to 7.0, we recommend that you read the article on updating to Switchvox 7.0. Watch this video and be sure to create a backup in version 6.7.1.3 and download that off of Switchvox for safekeeping. And make sure you have plenty of downtime available to migrate to 7.0. In version 6.7.1.3, in Server Updates, click the 7.0 Information action. The first thing to be aware of about 7.0 is that it takes advantage of a 64-bit processor and is only supported on newer Switchvox appliances. That includes the current E-series appliances and the immediately previous series of appliances. Also, version 7.0 is supported on VMware with a 64-bit processor. Because of the move to 64-bit, version 7.0 requires a fresh installation of Switchvox. So version 6.7.1.3 lets you do two things. First, you can create a migration file. That includes all of your configurations and files, including scheduled call recordings. And Switchvox tells you what size drive is required for this file. Second, you can create a 7.0 install drive. To create each one of these drives, attach a drive to your Switchvox appliance. Use the button Refresh Drives if you need to add the drive to the drop-down list, and then use the Create button to create the drive. To save time when you're actually doing the migration, you may create this installer disk at any time before you migrate, and that way Switchvox is up and running again quickly and taking calls. Now use the Install drive to install version 7.0 on a Switchvox appliance, and you can find information about installing Switchvox on our support pages. If you're running Switchvox on a VMware instance, there's an OVA file available for installing version 7.0. The first time Switchvox 7.0 is started, it will take just a bit longer than normal before it is available for use. So after it starts, log in as the administrator. You'll see an alert asking if you have a migration file. Click Apply a Migration File to continue. Attach the drive that contains your migration file to your Switchvox appliance, and use the Refresh Drives button if necessary, then apply the migration file. And now Switchvox is on version 7.0 with all of your configurations and files. Please see the article Updating to Switchvox 7.0 for more details about migrating to 7.0 and what's new in this version. And also, make a backup copy in version 7.0 for safekeeping. Thank you for watching.